Every journey begins with a single step. This is yours. Are you ready to unlock your potential? Do you feel like you're meant for more? There's a fire inside of you that's waiting to be ignited. Let me fuel your fire. Let me be your motivation. As the sun rises over the mountains, a new day begins. People start their day with a single step, pushing through the pain, breaking through the barriers. They hustle, they grind, they push forward. And as the text fades into the screen, we see the faces of determination and grit. We see the power of the human spirit. We see you. This is your time. This is your moment. So let the doubters doubt. Let the haters hate. You have nothing to prove to them. You have everything to gain. This is your opportunity. Don't waste it. I want you to feel that energy. I want you to feel the passion. Feel the fire within. This is your journey. These are your steps. Make them count. Because as the sun sets on another day, we'll look back and say, I did it. I made it happen. And then we'll do it all again tomorrow. If you're tired of procrastinating, stop daydreaming and start doing. Here are 10 inspirational and motivational quotes to get you up and running. Number 1. Do one thing every day that scares you. Eleanor Roosevelt. Do something every day that scares you. This is a challenge that has been given by many great individuals like Eleanor Roosevelt, Mark Twain, and even Stephen Hawking. There are so many things that we want to do in life, but the fear of failure holds us back from actually accomplishing anything. So what can we do? Well, first, identify your fears. Then take small steps towards overcoming them. For example, if you want to become a writer but you're afraid of rejection, start by writing 1 paragraph every day. Then when you finish that, write 1 page, and so on. As you gain confidence, you'll be able to write longer pieces and eventually an entire book. Don't let your fear control your life. Take action today and do something that scares you. You'll be glad you did it tomorrow. Number 2, fall 7 times. Stand up 8. Japanese proverb. Everyone falls down sometimes. It's part of being human, but it's how we respond that makes all the difference. A recent study found that those who experience setbacks recover faster and more effectively than those who do UNT. That's because when we face adversity, we learn how to pick ourselves up and dust ourselves off. We learn resilience and grit, and those are valuable traits that can help us succeed in anything we pursue. So don't be afraid to fall down. Just make sure you have the strength to get back up again. Remember, fall 7 times, stand up 8. Number 3, you don't need to be faster. You just need to be consistent. Unknown. Are you someone who struggles with procrastination and self-doubt? Maybe you have big dreams for your future, but you just can't seem to get started. Or perhaps you've started working towards your goals, but you keep getting sidetracked and you're not making the progress that you want to. If so, this quote is for you. You don't need to be faster. You just need to be consistent. When we're in the thick of things, it's easy to compare ourselves to others and feel like we're falling behind. We see people who are seemingly miles ahead of us, and it can be tempting to get caught up in the rat race and try to catch up. But the truth is, there's no point in trying to be faster. What matters is that you stay consistent. Keep your eye on the prize and don't give up. Even when the going gets tough, remember that slow and steady wins the race. Number 4, well-being is the ultimate wealth. Unknown. We all want to be rich, don't we? We dream of having enough money to buy all the things we want and never having to worry about money again. But what if I told you that there is something more important than money? It's called well-being. Well-being is the ultimate wealth. It's the key to happiness and a fulfilling life. When we focus on our well-being, we're taking care of our mental, physical, and emotional health. We're remaking time for the things that matter most to us, and we're reliving a life that is true to our values. Money can buy us some nice things, but it can't buy us happiness. We can't take money with us when we die, and it certainly won't make us healthier or happier. So if we want to live a truly rich life, then we need to focus on our well-being. That doesn't mean that we shouldn't strive to be financially successful, but it does mean that we shouldn't let money become the only focus of our lives. Remember, well-being is the ultimate wealth. Number 5, believe you can, and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. When we believe in ourselves, we give ourselves the power to achieve anything. We open ourselves up to a world of possibilities, and we start to see ourselves as capable, strong, and smart. Believing in ourselves is essential to success. It gives us the confidence to take risks, the courage to face challenges, and the determination to never give up. So if you want to achieve your dreams, start by believing in yourself. Believe that you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Believe that you are capable of overcoming any obstacle, and believe that you deserve all the success that comes your way. Once you start believing in yourself, you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Number 6. Sometimes the only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. We all want to do great work, but it's not always easy. There are times when we're just not feeling it, and it can be difficult to muster up the energy and enthusiasm to produce our best work. However, there is one thing that can make all the difference: passion. When we love what we do, it becomes easier to push through the tough times and come back stronger and better than ever. Passion is what fuels creativity, innovation, and excellence. It's what drives us to do our best work. So if you want to do great work, find something that you're passionate about. Find a job, hobby, or project that you love, and let that passion guide you. Like Steve Jobs said, sometimes the only way to do great work is to love what you do. Number 7. It's hard to reach the top, but once you get there, the view is beautiful. Unknown. Reaching the top is not easy. It takes hard work, dedication, and a bit of luck. But once you get there, the view is absolutely breathtaking. The satisfaction of knowing that you've reached the top, that you've achieved your goals, is unlike anything else. It's a feeling of accomplishment and pride that just can't be beat. Of course, reaching the top doesn't necessarily mean climbing the corporate ladder and becoming CEO. It could mean anything that's important to you, whether it's starting a successful business, writing a novel, or simply waking up early every morning and taking care of yourself. Whatever it is, know that it won't be easy. There will be obstacles and setbacks along the way, but if you stick to your goals and don't give up, the view from the top will be worth it. Number 8. If you hear a voice within you say you cannot paint, then by all means paint, and that voice will be silenced. There's a voice inside of us all that tells us we can't do things. It's the voice of doubt, and it can be incredibly loud and persistent. This voice tells us that we're not good enough, smart enough, or talented enough to achieve our dreams. But the truth is that this voice is wrong. We all have the ability to create, to innovate, and to succeed. All we need is a little bit of faith in ourselves. So if you hear that voice telling you that you can't do it, then prove it wrong. Show that voice that you're wrong. Go out there and achieve your dreams. Let your actions be your loudest statement. Prove to that voice that you're wrong, and in doing so, you'll silence it forever. Number 9. Don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great. John D. Rockefeller. Are you holding on to something that's good but could be better? Maybe you have a job that pays the bills, but you're not really passionate about it. Or perhaps you're in a relationship that's comfortable but you're not 100% happy. If so, it might be time to let go of the good and go for the great. Settling for good is a surefire way to regret your decisions in life. When we settle, we give up on the chance for something truly great. We close ourselves off to new opportunities and possibilities. But when we're willing to let go of the good, we open ourselves up to the potential for something amazing. It's not always easy to let go of the good, but it can be one of the best decisions you ever make. So if you're unhappy or unfulfilled, don't be afraid to take a risk and go for the great. Number 10. A man is not old until regrets become his only thought. John Galsworthy. We all get older, but that doesn't mean we're old. Old age is just a number. It's how we feel that really matters. There are plenty of young people out there who are old before their time, but there are also plenty of elderly people who are young at heart. So if you're feeling old and regretful, just remember this: you're not alone, and it's never too late to make a change. You can always find new hobbies, meet new friends, and live a life that's full of adventure and excitement. So don't give in to your regrets. Live each day to the fullest and make the most of the time you have. After all, as John Galsworthy said, a man is not old until regrets become his only thought. We hope these quotes have inspired you to take action and make your dreams a reality. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.